Good morning, students. Come to currently question. In the last video, we did not get we got the answer, but option was not there. What we have done that is correct. Clear? In this material, they given wrong option, but calculation what we have done is correct. And also, you are not asking doubts. If you have a doubt, please ask the question in WhatsApp. My number is 809 54 54 112. Clear? Now come to 34 question. A proton and neutron are placed at separation D on a smooth surface. The speed of proton when separation becomes 2D. This is just like the question number 27. Just I will give the hint, then you solve this problem. Clear? 34. Proton and neutron. Proton charge considered Q, mass M, and another charged particle is neutron. Charge remains same, but mass is 2m. Clear? See, it is just like which question? 27th question. But what is the difference? Only charge is different. In 27th question, they given both, one is positive charge and one is negative charge. But in this question, they given both positive charges. Clear? Now they separated by a distance d. Clear? And then what they are asking, the speed of the proton when separation becomes 2d. Due to repulsive forces, these two will repel, like charges repel each other, so that they move away. So Q 2m, and here it is Q m. In this case, the separation given as 2d. In this situation, they are asking velocity of proton. What do you do? Follow the conservation of energy. Here, these two have only electrostatic potential energy. So U, kinetic energy is 0 because they fixed. They were at rest. So no kinetic energy. So they possess only electrostatic potential energy. This is U plus K initial. We have only U. And here they are moving away each other. At separation 2D, they are asking velocity. Clear? Velocity of proton. In this case, both have kinetic energy as well as electrostatic potential energy. So here, this kinetic energy is of m Vp square, and this kinetic energy is of, what is the mass? 2m, let us say Vd. So Vd square. Clear? This is kinetic energy. Clear? Both kinetic energies. Next, plus potential energy 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q square by, what is the distance between them? 2d. Here potential energy 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q square by d. These two equate, then you will get the answer. But we have in this Vp is there, Vd is there, we need to eliminate Vd. Then how do we eliminate Vd? Using conservation of momentum. Conservation of linear momentum. M into Vp, this is going back, you take it negative, this is going positive, plus M, 2m into Vd is equal to, this is final momentum, equate to initial momentum. Initially they were at rest, so no linear momentum is equal to 0. From this expression you will get Vd, that Vd substitute here, then you will get the answer. And also they are asking us to take 1 by 4 by epsilon naught E square by d. Instead of E square you take it Q square, because we made the equations with Q. So Q square by d is equal to lambda. This constant you substitute in that, you will get the answer. Probably you will get option 2. Clear? See, I am not giving calculation because we already done. Next, 35. 35 on a quarter ring of radius r, there is a linear charge density lambda, the electric field at center O is clear. Remember, electric field due to linear charge density bodies are like wires. It is in an arc shape. The formula will be E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda 2 sin pi by 2 by distance r. If you want to cancel this, you can cancel, no problem. So to arrive this, we have a constant value. That's why I am not cancelling. If you want to cancel, then what do you get? 2 pi epsilon naught lambda sin pi by 2 by r. The phi here, if you take arc like this, let us say this is linearly, the charge is distributed on this. If you wish to calculate this point, this is the radius of the this arc, and phi is the angle subtended these two ends, arc ends at a given point. Clear? Remember this formula. If numericals, if the problem with numericals, you select this formula because 1 by 4 by epsilon naught is, we have a constant value. Without numericals, you select this formula. Now, according to question, the arc given like this. Arc given like this. Clear? What is the angle subtended by these two ends at a given point? It is exactly 90 degree. This distance is given as r. Substitute this. E is equal to options we have. Okay. 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught lambda sin 90 by 2 45 by r is what here, capital R. Then 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught lambda by sin 45 1 by root 2 r, and this is 1 by 2 root 2 pi epsilon naught lambda by r. Now the option is 3. Option 3 is correct. Don't forget, remember this formula. If you have a regular classes, I would have explained proof for this formula, but no chance. So you directly remember this formula. Now come to 36. Electric charge Q and minus 2Q are placed at the corners of a triangle as shown. The magnitude of electric dipole moment of the system is. Now come to 36. The arrangement of charges given like this. Q minus 2Q. This length is given as 4L and this length is given as 3L. In this question they are asking the dipole moment of the magnitude of electric dipole moment of the systems. Then this charge we can write minus Q and minus Q. Simply, actually it is minus 2Q, but to understand I am taking minus Q and minus Q. Ultimately what happened? Again we get minus 2Q. And 1 minus Q, this minus Q acts like a 1 dipole. 1 minus Q, this 2 acts like another dipole. Clear now? Now, take this dipole moment acts negative from negative to positive. Then this you take it P1. P1 is equal to what is the dipole moment? Formula, charge into length between the charges, 4L. And next another dipole moment acts like this. This is you take it to P2. Then P2 is equal to Q into what is the distance separation between these two? 3L. Clear. These two acting 90 degree to each other. Then next dipole moment. How do we write? Using dipole moment is a vector. Follow the resultant of vector formula. P1 square plus P2 square to P1 P2 cos theta. Cos 90, 0 we do not have this term. We have only these two terms under root of Q square 16 L square plus q square 9 L square. Q square L, that's common, comes out, it is QL under root of 16 plus 9, and this is Q 5 L. 16 plus 9, 25, 25 root 5. So the option is 3. Third option is correct. Now come to 37. 37 is a dipole moment P is equal to alpha I cap minus beta j cap is placed in electric field. E is equal to 2 beta I cap plus 3 alpha j cap. The torque experienced by the dipole. So very simple. The given question in the vector form. If we do cross product, we will get the answer. P is equal to alpha I cap minus beta j cap, and E is equal to 2 beta I cap plus 3 alpha j cap. Torque formula. Torque is equal to P cross E. We do cross product, we will get the answer. You know that. You know the procedure how to do the cross product. I, J, K. We will write components. I mean unit vectors. And we will write their components. First we take P, so write P, I component alpha, J component is minus beta, there is no K, so then K value will be K of K component is 0. Then next vector we take an E, write E. A cap component is what? 2 beta, and the J component 3 alpha, K component 0. 2 beta plus 3 alpha, right? Now I cap, leave this column, and this row. AD minus B is 0. Next minus J, again this row and this column. Leave this, multiply, again you will get 0 plus K cap in this row and this column, leave it. What do you get? 3 alpha into 3 alpha square minus beta into 2 beta minus 2 beta square. Then you will get this 2 values 0. Then 3 alpha square plus 2 beta square into K cap. Clear? 2 alpha square plus 2 beta square. 3 alpha square plus 3 beta square, where do we have 3 alpha square plus 2 beta square, K cap. Option 1 is correct. Now come to 38. Dipole is placed parallel to the field if W is the work done in rotating the dipole at 30 degree. When work done in rotating it by 90 degree is. This is a very important model question. So they are asking work done. Work done in dipole from its initial position to 0 parallel direction to another direction. We have done this formula. Work done is equal to PE is equal into cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Theta 1 is the initial angle, theta 2 is the final angle. Angle between electric field and dipole moment vector. Theta is angle between electric field and dipole moment vector. First initial case, theta 1 is 0. They mentioned parallel. From parallel position to another position, they rotated. That is 30 degree. In this case, now the work done W is equal to PE cos 0 1 cos 30. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. Clear? Now this is equation 1. Second, the second case W2 is equal to the work done rotating it by 90 degree. Again PE cos initial angle 0 1, another angle 90. Cos 90, 0. Here theta 1 is 0, theta 2 is 90 degree. This is equation 2. So W2 is equal to P. PE we have to write from equation 1. From equation 1, from 1, PE is equal to, you make it this subjective, then what do you get? 2 W 2 minus root 3. LCM 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 comes here. If you make it P subjective, 2 W by 2 minus root 3. Now this PE value substitute here. W2 is equal to 2 W by 2 minus root 3. This option is not there. What do? You follow mathematics, rationalize. 2 plus root 3, 2 minus 2 plus root 3. Divide and multiply with this. Then what do you get? 2 into 2, 4. 2 into root 3, 2 root 3. 2 square minus 3, 1. So 4 plus 2 root 3, W. 4 plus 2 root 3, W. Option 3 is correct. Now come to 39. A electric dipole is placed along x-axis at the origin O. A point A comma B is in xy plane. The angle made by electric field at a point A with x-axis, take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 is. Now take the figure. See the figure. Dipole placed like this, and then you consider this is dipole moment. Let us say P, dipole moment. One point is given here. This is point A, and this distance they mentioned A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. They are asking electric field direction with respect to x-axis. See, dipole moment acting like this. If you take it with this position, with this line, angle is theta. Now resolve this P along this line. This would be P cos theta, and perpendicular component, this is P sin theta. You just extend this. See now, given point is there on the axis of P cos theta, and the same point is there equatorial line of P sin theta. Clear? Given point is there on the axis of P cos theta, and the same point is there on the equatorial line of P sin theta. Now on axial line, formula is what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2P cos theta by, let us say this distance x square. There we taken only P. P is the dipole moment in our derivation, but here dipole moment is P cos theta along the given line. Then E equatorial 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P sin theta by x square. Now one field is acting, this is E x, and this is E y. I mean equatorial. You take it, this is E A and this is equatorial. Now the net field act like this. This is E net. They are asking this angle. Understand? They are asking this angle. Clear? with axial line, if you take it, this angle is alpha. Alpha is the net field with axial line. Then how do we get? Tan alpha is equal to Ex by E axial. Here with x-axis, how do we calculate vector form? Let us say A is a vector Ax I cap plus Ay j cap. With x-axis formula, what is that? Tan theta is equal to Ay by Ax. Similarly, I am following this. Then if we substitute this 1 by 4 by epsilon, 1 by 4 by epsilon, x square p cos pp will be cancelled. We have sin theta by 2 cos theta. Clear? Then this will be 1 by 2 tan theta. Clear? I take an angle theta here. Clear? From this, what do we write? Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side will be 1. Then theta is equal to tan inverse of 1. This will be 45. When theta is 45, this expression will become 1 by 2. Now, what did we get? Tan alpha is equal to, what did we get? 1 by 2. Alpha is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. We got only alpha. With the x-axis they asked. Alpha we got. This is straight line. This angle remains same. This angle remains same. This already we calculated as 45. This is 45. Then the total angle will be, if you consider this total angle, let us say 5. Then 5 will be written as alpha plus 45. What is alpha? Tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus 45. This is the final answer. Is there pi by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 by 2. Clear? Don't mix this here. This is only to understand vector angle with x-axis I given. Clear? You already studied in first week. So option